Good evening, investors. This is StockMasterTalk with GoldMedalPennyStocks.com and DITRStocks.com, bringing you PTOO. That's PTOO Incorporated. Our last trading day was Wednesday, May 8th, where we saw a positive 0.92% gain over the previous close, which was $1.09. We went up 1 penny on a volume of 2,508 shares. That's a lot of shares coming in here. You'll see that's a little bit above average that we've been consistently trading in, which is always a good sign for a stock such as this, such as any stock, really. Let's get started with these indicators. They're all looking really nice and very bullish. Lots of buy signals that I'm seeing. Right here we got a 14-day RSI at 56.23. That's good. We are on an uptrend. We are between 70 and 30, which is strong. We crossed over the 50-day not too long ago, which was a good buy signal. And in the shorter term, our 5-day RSI is already in that fully bullish zone, which is a very good indication as well. A couple things coming up here on our daily charts. We have some strong support down here at $1.075. And on top of that, we have hit resistance at $1.10. Breaking through that's really going to set the standard. The next resistance line isn't going to be until $1.15, followed by $1.20, it looks like. We are having our Bollinger Bands pinch in, which is a good indication. That's a good sign. Further down the road, once that channel really starts to form up, it's going to be a great breakout channel. Our parabolic SAR in purple is underneath our candlesticks as well, which is a good buy indication also. Volume, like I said, has really been picking up. It's been hit or miss for several months now, with some crazy volume coming in back here in February. It really just dying out, really not doing anything for quite some time. As you can see, investors have rediscovered this one here, and some recent news that's come out has really put PTOO back into the eyes of the investors. We're really going to start seeing this pick up and fully expecting this share price to continue to increase. MACD line is very bullish as well. It crossed over its signal line at the end of April, as well as the histograms crossing over. The two are in relation to each other. This is very bullish, as well as it's pointed up towards that zero line. Crossing over that is going to be another strong buy indicator for a lot of investors. Getting in before that time is going to save you quite a lot of money. Accumulation and distribution is also positive. We did dip down at the very, the middle of May, early May. And we're continuing to climb off of that. Investors bought off of that low there, and they're really holding on to their shares, expecting to see PTOO continue to climb. On-balance volume is also on the rise, seeing a nice inclination there. And lastly on this page here, our check and money flow is also doing really well. It wasn't trading nicely for a long time. We were underneath the zero, which was letting us know that we were in a poor market. The shares weren't really of high quality. But we crossed over here into this point zero, and we're really hoping to hang on to that. Everyone's starting to take PTOO seriously. PPO is doing really well. It's also read similarly to the MACD line. It crossed over its signal line back at about the same time as the MACD, end of April, beginning of May. And we're seeing this point up towards the zero line as well. Seeing that crossover will be another strong buy indication. Those two are, this one combined with the MACD is a strong pair together. Once they cross over, that's a good buy indication. 14-day ADX here. This is a measurement of trends. The positive DI is above the negative DI, letting us know we are in an uptrend. And what really makes me excited about this one is that the ADX line itself, the one in gray, is pointed up. It's also above 25, which lets us know this is a strong trend. This uptrend is. And we're looking to see it continue. You can confirm this ADX by looking at the candlesticks. Vice versa, you can see that we have been going up a little bit here. If I had pointed this out earlier, I would have suggested this uptrend here, and we could have confirmed it with our ADX line down here. ROC 12 days doing nice. It's at 10 on the climb there, as well as our CCI being strongly on the climb at 91.59. Crossing over that 100 is going to be a cross into the bullish region, and that's going to be some pretty exciting stuff for PTOO. Lastly, I'm very excited to point out that the TRIX line is also bullish, crossed over its signal line. The bulls are just completely in control of this stock, and it's going to continue to act very bullishly, in my opinion. If you have any questions or comments about PTOO, I'd be happy to talk to you about them or answer them. You can find me often over on iHub. I like to hang out at the Gold Medal Penny Stocks board. I am StockMasterTalk, and it's always a pleasure to bring you the next big pick. And I hope you subscribe to my channel, follow me on iHub, and good luck with PTOO. Have a good afternoon.